You're on TV. You should never be wearing a black shirt because you're black.
Yeah, I see that.
You gotta be, yeah.
I wasn't thinking about doing it. Okay. I'm new to this, okay?
No, I've done bullshit like
I
this.
was showing up either.
Yeah, well, that was all a miracle.
Okay, well, I can edit this.
There you go, right there. That's perfect. Cause see, now you're sitting.
He can edit this anyway, so wherever he say we talking all that, he can edit all that, so we just keep it in until we, see we got it going. All right, I'm Richard Brumfield. I started a product by the name of Ricky Balm Gilliam THC infused product. My products are made of 1% cannabis. I take the entire cannabis plant and put it back into a liquid form. I've been using it, came up with this here 6 months ago. I've been bio-essaying with different people who work in the different collective with me. Today I have here with me Lee Bollinger, a patient. We both in the MMP program, the California Marijuana program. And Lee had the opportunity to try my pure cannabis oil. This is 100% cannabis oil. This is OG Master Kush, the plant. Everything in here is a plant. There's no other ingredient in here but OG Master Kush cannabis. No soy oil, no butter, no olive oil, whatever else people using. This is 4 grams of concentrate here. And I gave Lee 3 eye drops of it because of his body mass weight. Formally it built on the body mass of people. Lee weighs 223 pounds, and 3 eye drops of this here equal to 20 milliliter, which are about, I think, a tablespoon and a half. Is all the he took in there. And you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but my oil is pure. There's no other ingredient in it. There's no artificial flavor. There's no chemical. I use a extraction method that I developed that will give you nothing but the purest trichon, and then you can just do some serious infusion. I have a method I did with that also. This is 4 grams of THC. This is a 3-ounce bottle. And I say, this is a 3-ounce bottle, and my, let's see how many I need. I can't think of how many I made all of this all together, but every 1 eye drop is almost equal to smoking or ingesting 3 joints, 3 marijuana cigarettes. The effect take about 15 minutes. It's a fast absorption, fast trigger, and I gave Lee some yesterday. I met Lee for the first time yesterday. I'm gonna let Lee say a little bit about who he is and his symptom and why he's in the medical marijuana program.
My name's Lee Bollinger. I have a spinal nerve disease where my spine is destroying itself. Nerves are all diseased over, grown into scar tissue, narrowing of the nerve pathways onto the nerves. I've been open 5 times, had my back rebuilt 3 times. The chronic rheumatoid arthritis and carpal tunnel. I tried some of his oil. About 15 minutes, 20 minutes later, I started getting a little warmth of a rush through my head and my body. After about 20 minutes, my body had started getting some more sensation to it than what I had before. After about 40 minutes, I was feeling pretty good. My mind was clear, but my body was kind of like I had smoked a doobie. And you get that head high with the doobie and the body high, but I got the body high and not the head high. On top of that, my pain started easing up on myself. By the time I got home, I was pretty much pain-free. Now I take medications like Oxycodone and a couple other class 2 medications, and I take them in combination of each other. And this happened to take away more pain than the 3 of those together would. So I'm telling you, I tried some of his ointments on my elbow, and it felt good after about 10-15 minutes, and I realized that the carpal tunnel in the hand that I put the ointment on had eased up quite a bit.
Okay, what I have here.
Oh, one more thing.
Go ahead.
And I had also noticed last night when I went to urinate that I had passed a lot of poisons out through my body. My urine was more or less the color of root beer. You know, I'm passing a lot of toxins that way, and with medications that I take, and I kind of feel pretty good today. You know, I feel a little more energized. You know, like I cleaned myself out a little bit. You know, wasn't feeling too run down. You know, it's hard for me. You know, if I can get myself out of bed, I'm lucky. I spend 90% of my time in a wheelchair. I'm walking around today.
That's right, you was in the wheelchair when I
sir.
seen you yesterday. I forgot all about that.
Yes.
That's why I didn't recognize you when you walked in.
Yep.
Oh. Hey man, I'm glad you're feeling good, dude.
Yeah.
Now that's a
I'm
price.
not pain free today, but what I'm saying is I'm more energized. I feel.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm able to move around a little better today. You know, I slept a little better last night. You know, nice relief for a while.
Wow. But man, like I say, I just recently made this here medicine. I have a great consistency of it. I have my own formula. I can make the same consistent medicine each and every time. And like I say, I have recommended doses from everyone from a woman weighing 79 pounds to 300 to a man weighing 79 pounds on up to 300 plus pounds. The only thing is, I want to say about the material that I need to figure out what's the best way to get it to the people.
Right.
You know, I went to.
Well, your co-ops are probably your best right now.
But, you know, I'm going to call that. I didn't mean to say that. I'm going to make sure that gets taken out. But what I want to do is, I want to get this out to everybody. Let's see how they went.